Stuff's about to get real. Loop Starter's here. Let's go to the channel rec and hit this icon to turn on Loop Starter. Let's choose techno or any genre that you like. And let's see with the craziness, because it's already loaded some previous samples to get started with. You can roll the dice for other sounds. Or just reload the drums. Bass. You can get crazy ideas like this, but it also loads in the other elements that I could use in techno. I can right click and I can generate steps for all channels. And this is looping, and you can also, let's change the kick here. So right click and you can find similar samples, but it's in FL Cloud. Right now, you can go through here, but right now I have the free package of FL Cloud. I think they're slightly promoting it. It's loading in the free samples from FL Cloud, but if you have the premium one, well, you get premium ones as well. And then you can click here to send this here. Or if you want all these other ones as well and see them more nicely, right click, split by channel. And you can drag this in like here and you can have more variety. So yeah, AI is here, but use it as inspiration. Just don't blindly make songs with this alone. Use it as inspiration. Maybe you find some pretty nice loops to work with. AI is here to stay. Nothing's going to change. I think it's going more and more, but keep being original and use this inspiration. What are your thoughts about this? Because this is definitely something, well, interesting, let's say. See you next time.